Dancing, revealing the beauty of mathematics. Mathematics is generally seen as a bunch of numbers and formulas which seem to be the polar opposite of dancing. General society might notice that there is nothing in common between dance and mathematics. When we look closely, these arises some fun, yet interesting similarities and connections between dance and mathematics. In this video, you will see how dances of different cultures make use of mathematics. You will also understand the importance of geometry in dance as an integral part of life and how it follows a pattern of rhythms. Thousands of cultures spread worldwide, and each has its dances with various kinds of moves. As we looked closely into these dances, we can see that they are made of rhythm, shapes, and patterns. These can be linked to mathematical concepts. Therefore, mathematics can be taught using dance. Teaching mathematics with dancing can help students to understand abstract concepts of mathematics more joyfully. Implementing mathematics in real life, such as in dancing, will undoubtedly help erase the subject's stigma of being dry and inaccessible. Mathematical concepts such as geometry can be introduced to students by teaching them dancing. This concept can be seen in the positioning of a dancer's body concerning themselves and their surroundings. Within the dancer's body, he or she can create shapes, angles and lines which contributes to the dance's effect. Concerning shapes and angles, dancers need to focus on the angles they make with their bodies to form the correct figures. Meanwhile, talking about the lines concept through the dance, dancers often have to think about staying parallel to the other dancers to preserve formations. They need to keep the same distance between each other no matter how they move. Geometry is also used to unify between one and other dancer. Without geometry, dancers would not be able to synchronize and create shapes. Besides geometry, everything in dancing has to do with patterns. Dancers memorize patterns in the steps in their dances. The rhythm in music usually consists of patterns in the form of beats. This pattern is generally synchronized with the dancer's movement. We have just started our YouTube journey, so please show us your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. One of the well-known dances that employs the use of geometry is Saman. This dance originated from Aceh, Indonesia. The Saman dance requires high movement synchronization among each dancer. The timing of each dancer plays an important role. We can also explore other mathematics concepts such as line, symmetry, and patterns from this dance. The extensive the number of dancers, the more possible relations of lines, shapes, and patterns arise from their interacting bodies. Another example of mathematics used in dancing is in figure skating. Assistant Professor of Mathematics at Towson University states, "Figure skating is a great model for mathematical instruction." Brian Shackle and Marian Alexander of the University of Manitoba mentioned that skaters' angles are an essential aspect in the ice skating, such as when they jump, spin, skid, glide, and even during landing. The more accurate the angles used in each stage, the higher the score they will get. Geometry is not only mathematics concept that has sneaked its way into the world of dance. Because of the simple fact that dancers change their positions in space as time passes, the ensemble can be looked at as a multi-dimensional dynamical system. We could consider each dancer's position in space as the elements and explore the system's behavior as time goes on. Another exciting concept is patterns of rhythms and the changes with those patterns. Not all dances follow the simple 1 through 8. We could have a dance where a couple of distinct count patterns get repeated or even come in a pattern. For example, suppose that the observed dance use only 3 types of counts. We denote the count varieties as A, B, and C. A could stand for 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, for instance. Then we can analyze the frequency of individual count motifs and how they interact. So we are here to surprise you again with the use of mathematics in some unexpected fields, and this time it is dance. Amazed? Aren't you? Could you have ever thought about the interlinkage of maths in dance? But there is, and the video will help you understand how. First of all, it's about the posture or angles that add to the dancer's grace and dance. Then it's about the coordination and synchronization of one dance with the another, which involves maths. Dancers usually remember their routines with the help of counts, which involves math. Let us know in the comments section what aspects you feel would relate to the mathematical concepts in dance. Let us know which information seemed mind-boggling to you. We'll see you in the next video with another fantastic concept. So stay tuned.